Good morning, children and Sairam. Welcome to the part 3rd of class 9th Geography, chapter number 4th, that is Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So, children, as you all know, in previous session we have discussed about tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, and tropical thorn forest and scrubs, right? Now, in this session, we are going to discuss these two types of vegetation, mountain forest and mangrove forest. But before moving further, let's take a quick recap what we have learned in the previous video. So, first we have learned about tropical evergreen forest, right? So, tropical evergreen forest first of all are located on the rainy slopes of Western Ghats, right? That means the region receive maximum rainfall, and also Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and in the areas which receive rainfall of 200 centimeter or above with a short dry season. Clear? Next topic we have discussed tropical deciduous forest. So tropical deciduous forests are located where rainfall is 70 centimeter to 200 centimeter. And in India, these forests are found on the eastern slopes of Western Ghats, West Odisha, and also in Chhattisgarh. Next, third, tropical thorn and scrubs forest. So thorn forest and scrub are located where rainfall is less than 70 centimeter. So basically this type of vegetation, that means tropical thorn and scrubs forest, this type of vegetation is found in Rajasthan, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Basically the region which receive rainfall less than 70 centimeter. Okay, so this is what we have learned in the previous video. Now, next is mountain forest. So first of all, in the mountainous, so these forests are found in the mountainous areas. In India, mainly these forests found in Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, here is the map. Let's see where these type of vegetation we found in India. So this type of vegetation we mainly found in Jammu and Kashmir. Here is Uttarakhand and also in Arunachal Pradesh. Clear? Okay. So basically in the mountainous area, as we already learned in the previous video, in previous chapter actually, the decrease in temperature with increasing altitude. Altitude, that means height, right? The decrease in temperature with increasing altitude, and it leads to the corresponding change in the natural vegetation. So as I said, decrease in temperature with corresponding change in vegetation as shown in the table. As such, there is a succession of natural vegetation belts in the same order as we see from the tropical to the tundra region. Now, here are the types of mountain forest. So first we have the wet temperate type of forest. Now, the wet temperate type of forest are found between a height of 1000 and 2000 meters. Okay. Evergreen broad leaves trees such as oak and chestnuts predominated here. Clear? So first is wet temperate type of forest, and they found between a height of 1000 and 2000 meters. Right? Oak and chestnut mainly found in this forest. Next, between 1500 and 3000 meters, temperate forest containing coniferous trees like pine, deodar, silver cedar are mainly found in these forests. These forests basically cover mostly the southern slope of Himalayas, right? Here we talk about the temperate forest. So these forests cover mostly the southern slopes of Himalayas, places having high altitude in southern and northeast India. At higher elevations, temperate grasslands are also very common. Okay, next, at high altitudes, generally more than 3600 meters above sea level, temperate forest and grasslands give way to the alpine vegetation. Okay, more than 3600 meters above sea level, temperate forest and grasslands give way to the alpine vegetation. Silver junipers, pines and birches are common trees of these forests. However, they get progressively stunted as they approach the snow line, and ultimately, through shrubs and scrubs, they merge into the alpine grasslands. And these are used extensively for grazing by nomadic tribes like the Gujars and the Bakarwals. At higher altitudes, mosses and lynches form part of tundra vegetation. Okay, next, fauna. Fauna basically it refers to the animal species of a particular region, right? So, now in the mountain forest, the common animals found in these forests are Kashmiri stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrels, shaggy horned wild ox, bear, and very rare red panda, sheep and goats with thick hair commonly found in these forests. Clear? Okay. Next, we have mangrove forest. So first of all, the mangrove forest mainly found in the areas of coast, right? Coast influenced by the tides. Okay, basically these forests also called tidal forest. Why? Because as influenced by the tides. Okay, mud and silt get accumulated on such coast. Dense mangroves are very common varieties with roots of the plants submerged under water. Okay, now the deltas of Ganga. So here Ganga form delta, right? Mahanadi, Krishna, the Godavari, the Kaveri are covered by such vegetation. Okay, here is the map. Let's see where mangrove forest mainly found. So as I said, the deltas of Ganga. So here Ganga form delta. Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and the Kaveri are covered by such vegetation. Okay, now in Ganga and Brahmaputra delta, children, as we know that Ganga and Brahmaputra form world's largest delta. So in the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, Sundari trees are commonly found which provide durable timber, hard timber. And next, palm, coconut, etc. basically are grown in some parts of the delta. And as you know that Royal Bengal tiger is the famous animal in these forests, in the mangrove forest. Turtles, crocodiles, gharials and snakes are also found in these forests. So clear, children, here we have done all the types of vegetation. Okay, tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, mountain forest and mangrove forest. Okay. Children, do you know India is rich in its herb and species from ancient times. Do you know around 2000 plants have been described in Ayurveda. Around 2000 plants have been described in Ayurveda and at least 500 are in regular use. So the World Conservation Union's red list has named around 352 medicinal plants, of which 52 are critically threatened and 49 plants are endangered. Okay, so here we are going to discuss the commonly used plants in India. Okay, Sarpagandha, Jamun, Arjun, Neem, Tulsi and Kachnar. So first we have Sarpagandha. So first of all, Sarpagandha medicinal plant. This plant used to treat blood pressure. And do you know, children, this Sarpagandha medicinal plant only found in India. Okay, this Sarpagandha medicinal plant only found in India. Then next we have Jamun. So juice of this fruit basically is used to prepare vinegar, which is carminative and diuretic and has digestive properties. And do you know the powder of jamun seed is used for controlling diabetes. Next we have Arjun. So this is used to regulate first blood pressure and the juice of the leaves is used to cure earache. Okay. First, the fresh juice of leaves is a cure for earache and it is also used to regulate blood pressure. Next, neem. So, first of all, neem has high antibiotic and antibacterial properties. Okay, only neem, this plant has the high antibiotic and antibacterial properties. Then next we have Tulsi. Like everyone knows, Tulsi plant is very beneficial and this is used to cure cough and cold. Next we have Kachnar. So this medicinal plant is used to cure asthma and ulcer, right? And the buds and the roots are also very good for digestive problem. Okay. Next we have, there is one more, babool. So basically leaves are used as a cure for eye sores and its gum is used as a tonic. Okay, so is it clear? The commonly used plants in India are Sarpagandha, which is used to treat blood pressure, then Jamun, and the juice of this fruit possesses digestive properties and seed is used for curing diabetes. Arjun, this is used to regulate blood pressure. Neem, it has high antibiotic and antibacterial properties. Tulsi plant, used to cure cough and cold, and Kachnar, basically it is used to cure asthma and ulcer. Okay, so that's it for this part. Okay children, now just tell me what will happen if plants and animals disappear from the earth surface. Basically, if the plants and animals disappear from the earth's surface, then what happened? Then the ecological balance will be disturbed. Because we know that without plants, there will be no oxygen available for breathing. And after some time, everybody will die. Okay, so that's it for today. Rest of the topic, that means about wildlife, we will discuss in the next video. Now, quiz time. So, first question is, which is the most important tree of the mangrove forest? Okay, now options are Sundari tree, option B rubber, option C sal. So, which is the most important tree of the mangrove forest? Sundari tree. Okay, in the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, Sundari trees are found and which provide durable hard timber. Next question we have, which medicinal plant has high antibiotic and antibacterial properties? Okay, so options are Sarpagandha, next option we have neem, and then babool. So which medicinal plant has high antibiotic and antibacterial properties? Yes, option B is neem. Neem basically has the high antibiotic and antibacterial properties. Now, question number third. The dash types of forest are found between the height of 1500 meters to 3000 meters. Okay, now options are wet, temperate, and the C option is mangrove. So now just tell me, between 1500 and 3000 meter, which type of forest are found? So answer is yes, option B, temperate forest. Okay, temperate forest basically found between 1500 meter to 3000 meters. Next we have, in which kind of forest do the trees have roots submerged under the water? Okay, options are thorny forest, mountain forest, and option C, mangrove forest. So, in which kind of forest do the trees have root submerged under the water? Yes, option C is mangrove forest. Basically, dense mangroves are the common varieties with roots of plants submerged under water. Okay, next question we have, trees in the thorn forest are tall, dense, or scattered? So here we talk about the thorn forest. Okay, so in thorn forest, trees are scattered. Yes, option C is the correct answer, scattered. Okay, so in next video we will meet again. Thank you and have a nice day.